Hi, my name is Patrick Salvador, man from Ombokolo, and we are right now in Nebbi Secondary School, where the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development, alongside the National Renewable Energy Platform, are here to launch different methods of clean cooking, because we are trying to save the environment and promote healthy living, because the different means we have been using, like charcoal and firewood, are detrimental to our health and the environment at large. So I want to take this opportunity of thanking the ministry and NREP for making me part of this event, where we enlighten the people about the benefits of using clean energy, of adopting to clean cooking. I'm super excited, and I wish the whole Uganda adopts to clean cooking methods, because clean cooking promotes clean health and definitely promotes the environment.